Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and I'm going to show you how to make a cheeseburger ring. This is something I enjoy eating for either parties or dinner sometime, and I feel it's one of those things that if I can make it, you guys can make it. So if you say you don't know how to cook, watch this video and hopefully you'll learn something. Alright, I'll show you how to do this part later, but in case you don't, just let me know down in the comments if you need the video for it. But in order to do this, what you need is about 1 pound to 2 pounds of cooked ground beef, brown. Make sure you drain all the fat off of it. You need 1/3 to 1/2. This is 1/2 cup of your favorite ranch dressing. Dill pickles. 4 slices of cheese. And you need 2 cans of the croissants and some sesame seeds. So let me show you how to make this thing, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, the first part you want to do is take your ground beef and have it in a bowl after you drained it, cooked it and drained it. You want to put your ranch dressing in. What you want to do is take your ranch dressing after you measure it out and put it in here, and I'll clear it out so you don't waste anything. You just want to get this all nice and stirred up pretty good. Just get it all coated with the ranch dressing. And this is one of the easier steps here. And just get it all good mixed in with the ranch. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to go on to the next step of setting up the ring part, getting it up together. I'm going to see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, now we're going to start making the ring. First thing you want to do is open up your crescent ring. You got these things here. So if you've never done this before, you just peel off the outside layer, and you want to take a spoon and push the side, it'll pop. That's how you open one of these things. Pretty easy. So what you want to do now is take this out. There's going to be 8 croissant things in here, but all what you need to do is unroll this and split up the 4 parts here. Okay. And so, this one's a little kind of moist. I guess it's just that it's been. I like using this pie bread sheet, but you can use the rectangle one if you don't have one for a pizza pie. You can use your that in there. But you want to just work your way around here and these, and you want 2 of these things. So I already opened this one too, so just unroll it and just continue on around here. You just take it to the 4 sections here. I just want to continue working it around here, no overlapping. Alright. Okay. Almost done here. Got one more put on here. Get the ring. Okay. You can see it's Already got your ring, so you that last one over like that. Alright. The next thing you want to do is take your meat, hamburger with the ranch, and just work your way around as so. Now, I really enjoy this. It's pretty easy to make. And you can use it for dinners, or you can use it for a party if you got a party. I've used this for a party. I've used it for dinner. Turns out really good for parties. People like it. Okay, put it all in here. Alright. Now the next thing you want to do is put your pickles around. This is I like just layer the pickles all the way around here. We'll do that quickly. I'll just use the hamburger dill pickles, but you can use whatever your favorite pickles you like to put on your hamburger. I like the dill pickles myself. So alright, next thing you want to do, put the cheese on. What you want to do with the cheese, take your 4 slices of cheese, just kind of fold it over in half, and so then you want to just you break it in half, just lay the cheese on over like so. Adjust it here so it's all kind of spread out evenly on thing. Okay, now that you got the cheese on there, some people like to can put bacon on here, make a bacon cheeseburger, put jalapenos in there if you want to. You just take your the croissant roll and just take it and fold it over, scrunch it in the middle. And get it all in here. Just work on filling the stuffing up as you're doing it, and primp the middle here. Alright. I hope to do some more of these cooking videos. I actually worked on one and I forgot to put the sound on. So I'm going to have to redo that one whenever I get the money to redo this stuff. But at least with messing up on a food video, you can enjoy the stuff usually. Alright, and here's your ring. Next thing you want to do is put it in the oven for at 375, and I'll tell you how many minutes. I think it's like 20 minutes, but I'll have to check my time on that one. So I'll see you guys here in a minute. Okay, one more thing before you put it in there, put it in the oven. So you want to get your sesame seeds, and you want to take your water. You want to lightly coat the outside once you get it folded up with water. You just need water for this, just kind of lightly with a brush, dampen the bun. This will make it sticky, so the seeds will stick to it. Okay, and then you just, what I do is I just sprinkle it on here. And, alright, and it's 20 to 25 minutes in the oven after this. That'll be really good on the bun here. Alright, well, I'll see you when it's all done here. I'm going to put this in the oven and finish it up. Okay guys, I'm done. I've pulled it out after 25 minutes in the oven at 375. This is what it looks like before I cut into it. I've let it rest for 10 minutes, so it's cooled down. So I'm going to cut it open here so you can see what it looks like. And then I'm going to enjoy eating it. Alright. See guys, that's what it looks like. This stuff is really good. Let's see if I can pull up here. Really good. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later and you have a good evening. Bye.